The madesmart Classic Large Silverware Tray in Granite from the Classic Collection offers an ideal solution for organizing your kitchen drawers. Crafted from durable plastic, this tray features a non-slip surface to keep your silverware securely in place. With 6 compartments, it provides ample space for neatly arranging your cutlery and utensils. The polished finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. This silverware tray measures 1.8 inches in depth, 12.9 inches in width, and 16 inches in height, making it suitable for standard kitchen drawers. Its rectangular shape maximizes storage efficiency, allowing you to make the most of the available space. The madesmart brand ensures quality and reliability, making this tray a long-lasting organizational solution for your kitchen. Whether you're looking to declutter your kitchen or enhance the functionality of your drawers, the madesmart Classic Large Silverware Tray is a practical choice that combines style with functionality.